In Export Now, the compass will guide visitor by eye beacon to each place that user has selected. After the user has arrived at the location, an AR filter will be triggered. 3D objects will be placed after the app detected a plate in front of the user. When the user clicks on these 3D objects, animation will be played. In Guide Map, when the user is facing a designated point, a 3D button will be rendered to screen by AR service. When user clicks the button, an in-app video will be shown to user. Also, not just local videos, third-party video streaming such as YouTube are also supported in this app. In addition, website browsing can also be provided. As the user clicks the button, we can redirect user to visit a website in the browser to add more action on it. For example, like donation or read stories. We can also put the button in front of a sign and let visitor read more further information than the sign provided.